trying to bear some food so bad he wanna kill himself. He looked at me real quick, then turned his head. When I looked at him, I get no fuck about none of them. Cut him and his people and them. If one's still alive, direct me to him, then I finish him. Shout out to my brother and them, that's all that I can say about them. Cause cops want information, cause they don't know where them niggas is. Shout out to my nephew, niece, your uncle is a fear beast. I can't let my family down in shame, so I'm swinging and I'm damaging. Don't think for a second I won't handle shit. Boy looked at my face and he forgot that he was talking shit. Fuck you, man. Every time I walk they say quit shaking shit. I can't go to sleep, I get so mad I gotta smoke a spliff. Hoes wanna fuck on me but they say that to anyone. I don't wanna talk to anyone cause I don't know nothing. Bitches out here lying just to kick it, I tell her quit frontin'. I don't trust no niggas and I be damned if I trust a woman. Bitch. My niggas pull up outside, I say hold up, I'm coming. Tad smoking gas, so we hiding, high as prices looking. Juice man off his ass with a bottle, I can't tell him nothing. On the scam cam, so damn slick, I wanna tell his mother. Calling, pulling up late, cause you know that's what he like to do.